So what we are going to do in this video, we'll look at how to install Docker Engine on Fedora 44. And this is what we're going to do. We will install the Docker Engine first, and then we will configure the Docker command to run without sudo. And then we will also run a test container to test our Docker installation. To install Docker, we will run these three commands, and the first command is to uninstall if there's any previous version. And then we will run the second command to download the Docker installation script, and we will download it from the docker.com official website. And then we will run the third command to run the script and install Docker. So the first command is actually optional and will uninstall if there's any previous version. And then we will download the Docker installation script running this second command. So this is the script, and we will run it using the sh command. Okay, so the installation is complete, and now we will run the Docker version command to check the Docker version installed on this computer. So this is the Docker version, and we will also run the systemctl command to systemctl status command to check the Docker status. And here it says enabled mean the Docker engine will start at the system reboot. Active running mean the Docker service is running. And here if you see disabled, you can enable the Docker service using the systemctl enable command. And then use the systemctl start and stop commands to stop and start the Docker service. The next thing we are going to do, we will configure the Docker command to run without sudo. And right now we have to run the command with sudo, otherwise we will get this permission denied error. And for that, what we need to do, add any user to the Docker group. So if we look at the etc group file, there is a group called Docker, and any member of this group can run the Docker command without sudo. And so here I have logged in as user1, and I will add this user1 to the Docker group using the gpassword command. So gpassword -a to add, and we want to add user1 to the Docker group. And we will also need to restart the computer. And then after the restart, run the groups command to check the group list. And if you see Docker in the list, mean now you can run the Docker command without sudo. So here one last thing we are going to do, we will run a test container to test our Docker installation. And for this we will run a container called hello world. So type docker run hello-world. And here if you see this message hello from Docker, that means your Docker installation is working properly. Okay, so then that's it for this video, and if you want to learn more about the Docker run command, there is a video link in the description.